everyone, my name is Choma Omolaye. I am the founder of Tech Edu Hub Kit. Okay, it is called the Questbotics. Okay, the Questbotics. Ooh, it's really okay. Don't worry, you're going to see what is on the inside. Also, I'm just gonna unbox it. I can't wait. Right. Okay. Da-na-na. You have to come closer to see this, please. Just look right inside the box. Ta-na-na. What we've got here. So this is a robot. Like I said to you, or this is a complete STEM kit. This will teach your child art, mathematics, computational thinking, and coding, and as well as robotics. Okay, so coding, I mean programming, as well as robotics. Okay, and don't worry, you find out what this is for. And it comes with 2 pens. I'm unboxing it right now. This is the controller. Okay, let me give some space. This is the controller, and then this is the cube set. If you're a parent, you can purchase this for your child. If you're at school, oh my god, this is a wonderful kit. And there are a lot of us that are really advocating for less of screen time. Okay, so it's not all the time that the children have to be on the screen. Okay, so this is a wonderful kit. You're going to see how it works. Robot. Okay, and it is also important for schools who do not have good network internet, or schools who do not have enough laptops. This is the perfect kit for coding, programming, as we may call it, different names, robotics, as well as mathematics. Okay, all right, so how do we do this? Like we said, this is the controller, so we have to put this on and off. There's a connect, there's a run, there's a detect. Okay, so we put this on here. Okay, we have charged it with the charger. Okay, so there's a charging point here, just to show you. There's a charging point here, so you can charge this, right? Now that's all you need to charge it. No internet. And then you also charge the car somewhere here. Okay, can you see the charging point? Good. Okay, so at this point we're going to put the car on. I do that from here, and it's going to turn red. Okay, did you see that? Did it turn red? Yes, it did. Okay, now the car is on, and the Questbot, the controller, sorry, this is the Questbot. Now the controller is also on. Okay, so we need it to detect the Questbot. So what we do is to click on detect. Okay, watch what happens to the eyes now, the light of the car. Okay, so great, it has changed to blue. Quest cubes. These are the quest cubes. They are the numbers, they are the directions. These three, the numbers are in centimeter. Okay, don't worry, you would understand that later. And then these 30, 40, 90, 60, they are the degrees, so degrees that you want it to turn. Okay, and then there are also codes that have 2-in-1 codes in them. And then underneath, in this cube set, there are 108 cubes. So you can see there are also cubes underneath. There are also cubes underneath here, right? There are cubes underneath here. There are cubes here. There's a lot of cubes. Okay, so we'll get down to it, yeah? So let me drop this first. Okay, then let's catch some fun. Okay, and then there's a manual. Here is the manual. It's got a lot of instructions in it. Okay, so I keep the manual away for now. Neatly take this aside. Ooh, I love to do this. Okay, give me a minute. Don't be in a hurry. You can pause it. Pause it and rest. Remove the cubes on top of it, right? So these are the other cubes. Okay. Nice. Okay, so we didn't talk about our pen. So our pen is going to be inserted into the car. Okay, so with this pen, we can actually use it to make shapes, draw alphabets, and what have you with these cubes. Good. Think we're good. Just to be sure. Okay. Good. I think we are. Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is to have our car to move forward by 10 centimeter. Okay, so I look for the forward. Forward, where are you? Did you go too far? So you can imagine your students, your child looking through things, you know, problem solving things basically, finding solutions to things. Okay, so we're bringing the forward. So you have to make sure that this is very well attached to this. It has this magnetic field. So have forward and where is 10? Forward and 10. Okay, so that means we want the car to move forward 10 centimeters. Okay, and then we click on our run code. So we click on run. Good. Our pen has drawn the line with the help of the robot car. Okay. So did you see that? So when you take your ruler and measure this point to this point in centimeter, you will see that it is exactly 10 centimeter.